Amelia.
My name's Elizabeth.
And my name's Caroline.
And this is our Alice Project.
Hello children, this is your alphabet from A through F. Let's start! A is for ant. B is for butterfly. C is for chicken. D is for dude. E is for Egyptian pyramid. F is for fairy. The end.
Wait, you said what is for pyramid?